हेलो बच्चों, आज मैं फिर आपके पास आई हूँ कक्षा में कुछ नए दोस्त लाई हूँ। आज हम सीखने वाले हैं बर्ड्स के बारे में। चिल्ड्रन, आई नो यू ऑल लव वाचिंग बर्ड्स, बट जस्ट लेट्स हैव अ स्मॉल पोएम इन हिंदी अबाउट बर्ड्स। चिड़िया चिड़िया चू चू करती है, दिन में दाना खाती है, पास जाओ तो डरती है और रात में सो जाती है। Children, today we are going to learn about birds. You know birds? Birds are the animals which have feathers on their body and they can fly up in the sky with using wings. They have beautiful beaks. Some have big, some have small, some have sharp and some have blunt according to their food habits. They have strong claws to have hold on the tree branches and catch their prey. Birds don't have ears like us. They have just small tiny holes on both the sides of their head. They have eyes on the sides of their heads. Okay children, so birds, they lay eggs. They much differ from the other animals in such a way. So you also watch different varieties of birds, make a list and show me in the class. Okay, thank you children, bye.